Hi guys, welcome back to Jasmine Unfiltered. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do at the end of the month to get ready for a new one, and basically vlogging my day today and bringing you guys along. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below to my channel. That helps out so much. Come join Jasmine Unfiltered. I would love to have you a part of it. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would know I have kind of stuffed up my camera, so you guys have to bear with me whilst I'm trying to vlog today. Currently 9 o'clock and I'm gonna get myself ready for the day. I have work today for a 5-hour shift. There is gonna be a big chunk of this day that I'm basically not doing anything because I'm gonna be working, but for now we're gonna make myself some breakfast and some coffee, get ourselves ready. This is basically everything that I do at the end of a month, which you will see later on in this video. One of the big things that I'm doing this year at the end of each month is I am tracking my finances. So I'm basically making sure I know how much I've spent on stuff and how much I've saved. I'm gonna use my favorite cup as always. If you guys watch my vlogs, you'd know this is my go-to cup whenever I need a big coffee to start off my day. However, I wanted to show you guys a mug that I got from my best friend Logan. I've gone blank on the brand where you can get them, but you basically can get like a quote written on it, and then on the back you can get the actual 2 people on it, which is so cute. And I just put Logie Bear and Jazz, and he absolutely loved it. However, it stays at my house because Logan always comes over for like little coffee sessions. So there's a thing that I do on my YouTube channel sometimes where I do vlogs and I break down the vlog by doing a segment which is called Coffee Sesh with Jazz, and we basically sit down and we talk about like some really important topics or things that I've been really wanting to talk to you guys about. Basically, Logan comes over for coffee sessions with my mom and my sister and all that, so we got him a little mug to have here at our house so he can have his coffee in there. So if you know someone who likes coffee or someone who's like tea obsessed, like one of my friends Piper, she's tea obsessed, she loves tea. A good thing to always get someone for their birthday is something personalized, like a mug or something like that. I don't know why I had the feeling to tell you guys that, but I did. This is so good. One breakfast food that I know how to make good is bacon and eggs. I can't make pancakes for shit. I wish I could make pancakes. We're gonna play some time lapse of me getting everything ready for the day. I'm gonna maybe do some light makeup. We'll see how I feel. And I'll get ready to go to work. And then I'll see you guys after work. Cheers. You like compliments, but if I try and cross the line, you like confidence. This job that I'm going to today is my ice cream job. I've been at my ice cream job for a year now. I love my ice cream job. I've been in the ice cream industry now for about 2 years, I think, almost. It's a really easy job. Like, honestly, if you're younger and you watch my videos and you're freshly, like, let's just say 14, 15 and you can get a job, honestly, my biggest suggestion is work at a place like an ice cream job, because it is a really easy job, it's easy money, and you always are in an environment that's very happy. You get to serve kids and parents and all of that, and majority of the time they're really, really chill. At the moment, in this point in time, as of March 28th, 2023, I have 3 jobs currently, which I'm very, very proud of myself for. You guys most likely after work. Back home. We are back home now. My mum is actually making us some dinner. I'm gonna have some wraps for dinner, and then I reckon I'm going to rest for a little bit, maybe even read some of my book. I've been reading some of my book like every single night before I go to bed, and I'm finding it's helping a lot. Last night you hit me up again, you're so predictable. Did the whiskey make you... First things that I do at the end of each month, and I'm gonna try and do throughout this whole year, is basically take note of my finances. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly what I do because obviously I don't want people knowing my money and my budgets and everything, but I'm going to basically break it down for you, and I might put like a list of things here. So basically I do whatever the month is, so like a January overview, and I put my spendings into categories. So I've got food, petrol, events, self-care, Mikey's / Ubers or traveling kind of thing, like taking an Uber or a taxi or something like that. And then night outs, because night outs is like a separate category for me rather than events, because night outs is like paying for entry into a club or paying for drink. And then I do my categories for my savings. So my categories for my different jobs. So I'll write job 1, how much I saved from job 1, how much I saved from job 2, how much I saved from job 3, and then I write my total savings and income. And at the bottom of the page I write, I've put aside this much for a holiday or for whatever I'm saving up for, just so I know that that's money that I cannot touch. But hopefully it made sense. Update you guys a little bit later. Who knows, I might have a coffee and we can read some of my books. I have restarted the ACOTAR series. Now, if you didn't know, the ACOTAR series is literally a series that my friend Margaret put me on. Maybe year 11, fallen back in love with this series again, because oh my god, it's like I'm reading it this time around and it's just like so much more in-depth. The settings and my imagination and everything like that hasn't changed, it's just advanced, because I haven't read this in like so long and I have been absolutely loving it. And I'm just so excited to reread the whole entire series, because there is 5 books. Technically there's 4 currently, but there is like a 4th book, which is like a book you don't need to read, but you can read it. So my friend Margaret's birthday today, so happy birthday, Margaret. I love you so much. I can't believe you're 19. I can't believe you're the same age as me. This is honestly horrifying. But the first book series that my friend Margaret got me onto was the Flock of Air series, which is this one. And this has The Cruel Prince, The Wicked King, and The Queen of Nothing. Absolute amazing books. This is like the PG version of the ACOTAR series. Literally my imagination with these books, amazing. I've just fallen back in love with it. So I'm so excited to reread some of my books, because I have nothing on my TBR. So we're gonna make my coffee. However, this time we're making a coffee without the coffee machine. I have this like vanilla kind of coffee, and basically what you do is you put 2 scoops of the coffee powder. Technically you don't need sugar with it, but I always put a little bit anyways. Some people will think that this is really weird. It's 8 o'clock at night right now, but having a coffee for me kind of calms me down and it gets me in the mode to settle down and just go to sleep soon.
You know when you feel like chocolate?
There's chocolate there, that's funny. I'm gonna put a little montage of me reading now before I go to bed. But that's probably all I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me basically showing you what I do at the end of the month to get ready for a new one. So it's honestly just a little bit of a vlog for a day in my life kind of thing too. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys with another video very, very soon. Come join Jasmine Unfiltered. I'd love to have you a part of it. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye guys. As well, don't forget to do me a favor and make someone smile today. Bye. I go by my anthem, turn it up and throw attention. Fuck you.